Hi fellas, Ben back again on another one. A quick review of the Tec Camshaft on this monster. Now we are not looking at anything in detail today on this video. This is just me feeling miserable that I've been keeping all of you waiting for a long time, and I haven't really put out the test videos. The test videos are a series of videos on various factors, and once I'm done with all of them, I'll compile them into one video and share it for you guys. But until then, you guys will have to bear with me. This video is just a quick review, a quick impressions on the performance of the Tec Camshaft. This camshaft has made a big difference in 5 factors, in 5 areas. Now, you would not find a single video online which talks about the cam's performance in various areas, and these are legit. These are not just my placebo, unlike a subscriber mentioned in the comment section. This is for a fact true, and I am going to put this to the test, and I'm going to share those videos with you. The bike's acceleration has gone up. You're looking at an easy second and a half that I've shaved to 100 kilometers per hour. The bike's torque, low down torque has gone up. So that would simply mean better chucking, better tractoring factor. So you're looking at torque that has gone up from 3000 RPMs. So 3000 RPMs, you're looking at easily 3 to 4 Newton meters of torque difference. And then maybe by 5000 RPM, you're looking at 7 to 8 to 9 Newton meters of torque difference. And that's huge. The bike pulls with a pillion effortlessly. Unbelievable that the bike is just, that this thing was a shocker to me. So 60 kg pillion on the rear, and the bike almost had negligible difference. The bike just pulled effortlessly. The bike's mileage has gone up. Fantastic. I am getting at least a 10% more than I used to get previously. So you're looking at, where with my motorcycle, all the mods, I used to get about 24 to 26 before, at 90 to 100, cruising at 90 to 100 or 105. Now the same thing, between 90 and 105, I am able to squeeze out 27 to 31. So that's the difference. The difference is easily 10%. And another factor that's changed is this is how you know that the camshaft has made a big difference. The 5th factor is how you know that this camshaft is truly making a lot more power than how the bike was with the stock factory cam. That is, the braking feels terrible now. All of a sudden, the braking feels like it isn't enough. You have to upgrade the system. It's because the bike is starting to pull. On off-road terrain, you will not notice that, but even then, if you're tailing people and those people have to do emergency braking, you're definitely going to feel that, you know, the brakes are inadequate now. You need to up the braking system. Maybe swap the braking. The brake pads I've already done. The brake pads is not going to help. Maybe the caliper or the master cylinder. Something has to change, be changed for this to have better bite. So the bike is starting to pull now. It just pulls effortlessly, and there's too much inertia in comparison to the previous bike or the one with the stock cam, that I am unable to calculate my braking distance. All of a sudden, my braking distance is something that I have to work on, and I have to start getting a feel of the braking part of it. So that's the best way you know that the bike is making a lot more power than it used to. Well, these 5 areas in detail, with a lot of tests, a lot of nice videos coming your way. One thing that is a big demerit now with the camshaft is that it's making a ton of noise. It's just an engine that's become too rattly, more like a sewing machine. So if you guys are getting this camshaft, expect that part also. Nobody has spoken about it online. I think I'm the first to put this out. The bike is a rattly one now. A lot of performance cams videos online and information, and everyone says that the moment you swap out the stock cam, you are going to expect a lot of noise, and that is how it is for this fellow as well. No exception. The bike makes a lot of rattling noise, but it's a consistent rattle. It isn't like the ticking that used to come on and off because of the auto decompressor. If you haven't watched that video, please go and watch that. It's a big difference that your engine is going to feel the moment you get rid of that decompressor, the sticking decompressor. Your bike will not lose power. It will not lose compression. It will also not have that creepy, shitty noise that comes up after a few minutes of riding. Now, So this is going to be making a lot more of noise. The Tec Cam is going to be making for a rattling engine, and you guys have to strike peace with that. Just think of yourself, think of your motorcycles as bikes from the previous era, like the R80 GS or the LC8s from KTMs. They all used to make, the valve train was really loud. And the Ducatis, the previous Ducatis, every bike that was made before 1980s used to rattle because of the valve trains. And think of this bike just like that, and strike peace with it, be on the roads, and you're going to enjoy the Cam. The Cam makes this a lot more peppy and powerful motorcycle. Power at hand. You can overtake just about anything at will now. At will. This motorcycle can overtake anything. I'm looking at a 0 to 100 in 8 seconds, but I'll confirm the moment I'm done with the test. So that is the whole of it. That's a wrap. A quick take on what I think about the, it's not what I think, it's facts that I've shared. I'm just going to prove them to you with these a series of videos. Well, if this helped, go ahead, get yourself these camshafts, and the installation part of it is also something that I've covered on the channel. It's pretty easy, anybody can do it. Just be a little mindful and careful, and if you do not have mechanical skills or nice hand skills, please get it done from a seasoned mechanic. They ought to be able to do it, and do a clean job so that you don't have oil leak issues and things like that crop up later. Yeah, so if this helped, it helped. Coming your way is a bunch of videos that's going to prove all that I have mentioned and claimed now. Until then, this is Ben signing out for now. Ciao.